Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
You want to enter right here so that it drops down to here and you lose all your money.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Whoa. There we go.
Order submitted.
Just made some money. How much did that just go to? Let me check my stream. Like $500 there? Yeah, literally.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, did you guys see that spike? Insane.
Order submitted.
Oh my god.
Order submit. Order canceled.
What is this? Why did that unrealized P&L go to 1800? I think they just had something go on that was not supposed to happen.
Order submitted.
Did anyone else see that?
Order
My P&L
filled.
literally said 1800 for a second there.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm watching my stream to see what happened. Oh my god. The candle's not actually showing how far down it went. When I watch the stream, it's showing the price going down to, where do oh my god. I have to play it in slow speed. Dude, it moved so fast. It tried to place it at like 2460 or something like that. Actually, if you watch the playback, it shows me at plus 36 points, plus 1800 there, and then it didn't hit the time fast enough.
Order submitted.
Those bars are crazy.
Order canceled. Order submitted. I'm just quickly recording what happened on my other screen so I can like post that later. Because that was crazy. Order filled.
That was actually crazy. Yeah, okay, so here's the recording of what happened. You can see my unrealized P&L and the graph, but it literally goes down here, and the next update is up here. Like, it freezes. My stuff literally can't do anything because there's
Order
no market
submit.
updates.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's frozen. I'm like,
Order
what's going
filled.
on? And then boom, and then it hit.
Order filled.
Wild. So what's crazy is like that's why you need to have the actual physical stop instead of a mental stop. Because if that kind of thing happens, and it can't be one that gets placed after, because if
Order
the market
filled.
shifts like that, it's done. You're done. I might be done. But yeah, that was very crazy. This insane movement. Every trade so far has been positive. Let's hope that this one does not change that. But if we have another thing like that, that's like kind of worrying. Oh. You saw it too, dude? Oh my god. I recorded what happened on mine. You can watch my unrealized P&L. Goes to over 1800. But the candle, when it goes down, my stop tries to set it at the very like tick because it moves so fast it fails. And then look, it freezes. Everything stops moving. I'm still doing my stuff and I'm like, what's going on? What's going on? Why is it not exiting?
Order
What's going
filled.
on? My unrealized P&L is 1800 and then the price jumps back up. And I'm like, dude, how is that the next move? And unrealized P&L ends up being like $100 there because I end up closing like halfway up this candle. Yeah, I think that's what happened. I think it literally wicked so hard it refused to take the order, and then there was like no market activity until the next point all the way up here because my thing should immediately like go back and try to put it at the lower point or like at a better point, and it didn't.
Order
And I'm
order
trying
canceled.
to figure out why, but
Order submitted.
that was crazy. Yeah, the way it bounced so fast, like my stop that you see try to place, it tries to place it beyond where the candle gets drawn. But the thing is, with my stop, it's placing it based off of the actual market data I'm receiving, not on bar update, but the market data itself. So there's a point where they passed that market data to me and said that it was that far down, right? Do you see where that's at, dude? Why can I not? Dude, how do I just like the playback and stuff on this? Because that's not. Oh, maybe we'll edit in Clip Champ. But yeah, that was crazy. It made me realize I really do need to put my stop losses in, and not just be like sitting
Order
waiting
filled.
to place the close or hit the close button, because if it moves like that, like it could move like that in either direction, and you wouldn't even know that your account just got blown when it did. You know what I mean? Like, it wouldn't necessarily show you that you just violated some of the rules. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Dude, yeah, but also I feel like, yeah, maybe, I guess, I was gonna say since like 15 years ago. So, I mean, I think that probably actually still is considered that in terms of like politics becoming a show and stuff. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I think it's just like that now. Like, I was thinking last
Order
night
canceled.
about strategies and stuff and trying
Order
to figure that stuff
submitted.
out. And, like, the reality is, like, that anything could happen. Wait, Mr. Burp, did you change your username? Because now you're Burp J2F instead of Mr. Burp. I don't know why it's showing that. No, I mean, your name is Mr. Burp on your account, but, sorry, yeah. I got distracted. I was thinking about strategies, and, like, people talking about, like, winning strategies, losing strategies, and the reality of the market and the situation. So when everyone is, like, when there's people who have all of their confluence points together and they're like, the market's going this way, and then it does, just because they guessed it doesn't mean they're a good trader. And just because they have all these indicators that are saying that it's going one way doesn't mean that it could or that it will. Like, that's the uncertainty of the market. So, like, I guess my point is, every time you win a trade, someone else loses. So you're probably on the opposite end of that plenty of times, and there's all these other people who think all their
Order
confluence
filled.
points are great, but no one really knows where it's going to go. Anything can happen. That's my point. Which is why I'm trying to make my strategy like a little direction agnostic. It doesn't care which way the direction's going necessarily, but we're gonna see what we can do with it. I think the only ones who really would know are the ones who are controlling the market, like literally the hedge funds and whatnot, firms, all of them. So next week, Mr. Burp, I will not be streaming on Friday. I'm going to be on a plane. I will document all the Korean food I eat and then try to come back with some crazy trading strategies from the East. See what they got over there. It's actually like, I don't know if this makes sense, but the exchange rate for like US dollars to Korean, you know, it's pretty good. So like making money in US dollars in Korea puts you in a pretty good spot. So I think there's a decent amount of people who have they try to do much safer strategies that just end up being a lot more consistent but way less income, but for them it doesn't matter so much because they don't need as much to cover their costs of living. But if they have like a ton of different strategies that all work, maybe it's pieces I can kind of adopt as well. You know, some things we can maybe set and have, you know, all the different strategies overlapping, covering each other. Especially if there's a lot of really like safe ones, you know, you could just run.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I'm looking at this 30-minute over here, and I'm like, I see it up, but I do think it's gonna have to come down and meet these at some point, dude. And the daily too, like, yeah, it's curving up, but like, it's significantly above that, so like a little bit of correction. I need to do some serious coding today to clean up my strategy to make sure like the stops are in and stuff. But this afternoon I wanted to try to make the actual video documenting the strategy and like where I'm starting with it. So I want to get that out to you guys soon. Because I feel like we're at a point now where I can actually say like what my strategy is doing. Like I'm trying this right now. I'm actually trying it, and it's actually like doing some good work. I'm seeing where the issues are, but I think at this point this is enough of a strategy where I can say I actually have my own strategy, and then we're on to the refinement part. So I do think getting this all documented and detailed will be pretty nice. Come on, dude, you can do it. Get to 10.
Order canceled.
Did I?
Order submitted.
Dude, I'm not like fully trusting NinjaTrader right now, or I don't know what it is, but I thought I hit sell there. Nothing happened. That's the same idea with like, why didn't my orders go through earlier, man? Why did it freeze on me? Does the market really just freeze randomly sometimes? Like, yeah, I know it does slow down in volume, but that freeze in that time. All right, there's the limit I set earlier. That's where the candle wick actually went, and they don't show you. There's no way I can try to set that limit. Like, literally impossible. Unless they gave me numbers to calculate that as the new spot where I could put a limit or stop. Because I literally get the best bids and asks, and I place them in accordance to that. So there was a better one, or at that point, like when someone placed it, I sent that and it was there, it got hit, I could not fill this, and then even though I tried to submit again, this probably is just all invalid because the next update, like I said, was up here. Like, let's watch, the next bar literally just shows up.
Order filled.
There, it was 2 ticks. First ticks here, the candle's all the way up here already. You can see, and then the bar fills up. So, like, whatever that movement was, weird. Look at that unrealized P&L, dude. If that, oh my god, I should have, if I even just hit close when it was there. Actually, I did hit close, I think, and nothing was happening. Yeah, like right... Oh, maybe I don't. I don't hit close there because I'm like, what's going on? It shows... Yeah. I hit close right there. at plus 750 instead of plus 35. Rip, dude. Dude, how are people trading on this like it's gonna keep going up? Like, the RSI has been over 70 for the past, like, couple hours, man. I'm like, every time
Order
I'm looking at the
canceled.
graph, I'm like, it's overbought. Like, look at this, it's been just riding this line.
Order submitted.
That's why I keep hitting sell, too. Oh, Counter-Strike update. I did not hear about it. I actually never really got into Counter-Strike in terms of playing it. I watched it a bit, but, I mean, it's definitely something I'm sure, I'd be interested in finding out about. And, my friends will probably be talking about it somewhere. Let me see. I'm gonna go to my Discord and say, what's up with the Counter-Strike? Is there Counter-Strike drama? Isn't that game too old to
Order
have drama?
filled.
That's why I just asked my my friends, so... Oh, shoot. Did they really do that? Okay, so I know about the knife skins and the whole market thing. I kind of thought my first thing was, like, gameplay, like, something they would have never changed, like, oh, they changed how the physics work or something, and then people are flipping out. I didn't even think about what you just said, because I didn't even think they would ever change that. That's crazy. Yeah, literally, like, yeah. No, that's, like, it got huge. I remember watching people when I was, like, literally, like, 10 years ago in college being like, they're running gambling sites where you pay money and then you can get, like, one of these skins or something, and most of the time people
Order
don't.
canceled.
I'm like, dude, these people are just getting scammed.
Order
Getting so
submitted.
upset at those people. Those people got, like, outed for it, but then... Yeah, dude, that's crazy. So, like, now if you, like, get
Order
items
submitted.
in game and
Order
it's like, oh, I got
canceled.
a couple of these cheap items, there's, like, a crafting system now where you can, like,
Order
merge them to make a
submitted.
better item or something like that, yeah. Dude. Buy the dip. I'm about to go buy all the knives. Just go buy all the knives for the cheapest price. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of... It's the same reason that art industries have billions of dollars in them, dude. Just people arbitrarily valuing
Order
something higher
filled.
than everything else because there's like limited quantities or it's unique or something, and everyone else for some reason agrees, whether it be because they want tax breaks or because they actually like it, and then they're all buying it. I don't know, man. I don't buy those. I've only ever sold stuff on Steam because sometimes when you get games, it gives you like little things in your inventory for playing, like you get a little sticker or like a little, I don't know, whatever items sometimes. I think I had some like TF2 items I sold. But yeah, dude, I think people are gonna make markets on all these things. I'm trying to think of like some other crazy markets that are out there. But yeah, I don't know how they could change RuneScape to make it that impactful on people. Because I think the thing with RuneScape is they're trading the actual currency of the game, and the game is one that has its own economy. So it's always going to have some value in game, even if they change the ways you can get it. Whereas CS:GO, it's like you're dropping into a lobby and killing people. There's no real economy. The economy was made up by kids who were trading on there. The knives being that
Order
high
canceled.
is only because kids found it and they were like, oh, there's no one
Order
buying these knives,
submitted.
and they bought them all, and then they started selling them that high, and everyone else saw they could too. There are some items like that in RuneScape where they're so limited that the people who have the most money buy them and artificially inflate the price. Like these knives, like they're literally worth nothing. It's artificially inflated. But yeah. Yo, dude. Looking at this, it's like, on behalf of our community, I'd like to sadly announce that our main administrator committed suicide during a live Discord conversation. Yeah, I mean, it would really suck to think, oh, I have all this money saved up. I mean, and then for it to just be like pulled out from under you. Personally, I would have chosen different things to invest my time and money in. But that's besides the point, because people have their own hobbies and stuff. So, like, whether or not I would kill myself? Nah, dude. I think that's just like I gotta restart and reset and rethink what I was even doing type thing. But yeah, it would suck. Imagine you have like kids or something and you're like, I finally found something I can do that like sets me free and I can like take care of my family at the same time. And then it's just like, nah. I think that's how like a lot of stories are, but yeah, Jason, we're winning, dude. Dude, Jason, I don't know if you saw, but I have a clip to show you, man. There was that one candle. I'm sure you saw the candle. But they cheated me out of like $2,000. You're stepping up, Mr. Burp. You're getting big there. Okay, ready? Watch. This. Oh, man. Okay, so this right here. You can watch my negative, or my P&L. Make this bigger. I'm just gonna move this for right now so I can watch it still. And I'll just make this full screen. Oh, wait, what? Okay, check this out. Look at how my thing reacts. The market freezes for a second, so this is the issue. But shoots up, and then it shoots down. Boom. Did you see that? My thing tries to place a stop down here because their market data tells me the best bid and asks. There's no way I'm calculating it below the prices that they're giving me, but it just might be that when I send it, it's past that price. But they don't draw a candle wick down to it, right? So that's kind of weird. And then it's frozen. 36, so I'll hit play. It's frozen here. You can see my unrealized P&L is 1,800. It's just frozen. My orders are gone.
Order filled.
The next thing that happens, that bar instantly just pops up, and
Order
then I'm just
filled.
like, okay, well, done. So instead of 1,800, it actually ended up being like $100, but the movement was crazy.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
But it's working pretty good so far. But it really did enforce, as Mr. Burp and I have been talking about, the idea that I need to actually set like an actual stop loss like across the account each day or something, like of the maximum amount I want to risk, because that way if it moves an insane amount, like to the point where strategies literally would not be able to exit it because it's just crazy, then I don't have to lose as much, you know?
Order
Yo,
canceled.
10 points. It's still
Order submitted.
overbought. And we're at the peak. Dude, there's still some value areas. Fair value gaps. Hit those fair value gaps. Dude, I love that people laugh at people who use fair value gaps. Because I love using them. The people who follow institutional traders. And
Order
like, fair value
canceled.
gap is never something you'd want to look at. Not
Order
understanding the
submitted.
difference between retail and institutional. Okay, I'm saying probably
Order canceled.
here.
Order submitted.
Like, look at that candle.
Order
dude. How
filled.
is that legal? They're not even touching. The price moving like that, it's just showing, you know, high volatility there. But anytime that happens, I'm like skeptical that it's going to stay in that spot, and it usually is pretty fast to move out of that because it's like there's nothing keeping it there. No resistance.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
So we haven't gotten to any points where the 75 got hit yet. I don't think. I think just the 20. Whoa, the timing, man. Unlucky, Mr. Burp. Hopefully next time. Yo, Jay, what's going on? Checking my strategy out?
Order filled.
Oh, yeah.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, something
Order
filled
filled.
there. My strategy, that's like
Order
one of the bugs.
filled.
I don't know what just happened. Oh, I know what happened. Oh my
Order
god.
filled.
My strategy's broken. Because I closed. NQ's wickier? Yeah, that's weird, Mr. Burp. I don't know, man. I don't know about these wicks. Obviously, you've seen what I just had happen. That was not cool, so... Yeah, that's weird. And Jay, yeah, dude. I'm down to Discord soon. Check ya out and hear what you got to say. Yo, Jay, you want to watch this? This is what happened earlier to me. On a plus 1800 trade. I mean, you might have been trading on this candle too. But it shoots up. My thing is like about to cash out. And it tries to place the order, but the candle wick doesn't show up like it should have. The market freezes. And then I'm at
Order
plus 1800.
filled.
I don't hit close because I'm like, what's going on? And then the next point, it's like that little green bar pops up in one frame. Boop. You see it? It's just a wick. A wick that literally goes all the way up. Like, I don't even know how that candle wick would show like that. And then the next tick, it's boom, up there. So somehow, lost out on that. I only ended up getting like 100 from that instead of the 1800. But,
Order
yeah.
submitted.
Still... I think if we could aim to get this one to like 25k today, or 2500 today, that would be pretty cool. Trying to get like the 8 days, make the 20,000. Actually, the eval accounts, like dude, I need to pass this account before their sale ends, because I want the lifetime fee instead of the monthly fee on this. That's like the whole goal
Order
of this.
submitted. Order canceled.
Ooh.
Order submitted.
Yeah, Mr. Burp, I guess, I don't know if you clicked on JTrader at all, but Jay is another trader. He is actually the one who like showed me prop trading originally, and he's one of the people I'm going to visit in Korea. He's a Korean prop trader, so like that's where I get the Korean insight from. Him and Jason both. Jay I met in college. We're college friends. So he went back to Korea after college, and I stayed in America. I do my programming stuff. He did his own stuff. And then we got together at some point. He was like, hey, check this out. That's how it started.
Order filled.
Well, looking at this up here, still seeing this. Guys, look at that fair value gap. Everyone needs to target that. I want to code, but I'm like invested in watching this right now. Gonna hit that 20. When we hit the 20, that's when we start seeing like negative 2, 3, 400. Still pretty good in terms of a 300k count. That's like well within the range we're required to be in. Yeah. I do think the 30% rule is going to be the main thing. That, and of course contract scaling stuff, but that is like so easy to do. You just have the amount you're using. The 30% rule, though, that's going to be the one that really catches people. But I think with how this is set up, we should be good. Because the first entry, this is one contract. So 30% of the 7,500 right now, since we're not at that threshold, is 2,500. For one contract to go negative 2,500, it'd be like negative 1,200 points. So, yeah. And then the next one is 4. 4 contracts to go to negative 2,500. That's going to be like 600 points. You know, like, it's definitely pretty far. Pretty sure the account would just get blown before I hit the 30%, but I don't know. I'm about to see the 20 get hit, maybe?
Order filled.
Yeah. Now we're watching. How? This can't continue, dude. Like, look at that. And look at that. And look at that. Tell me that's real, dude. Yeah, line go up. RSI go up constantly. What is this at right now? Like, that's like 80? 80? 80? It's real. Yeah, dude. Yo, Easy Street, what up? Dude, he might have broke RSI. Everyone's like, oh, everyone's buying it. That means I should buy it too. Not thinking about everyone who's buying it about to sell it. Dude. Good thing we're on this bigger account because sitting here would be really anxiety inducing with that other account. It's gonna be another one where it drops 30 points and then my thing fails because it's like so fast. I have to be ready to manually close. Like looking even at this, right, like these are going down. They're not hitting new highs. It's peaking out. Not that that matters, you know, based off what I said earlier. No one knows where the market's going. Yo, dudes. No way. Okay, I mean, on this one, it's still, like, consistent with this. Peaking. Just, like, sitting up there, man. Maybe it'll, like, just quickly grab the 75 and then drop down 50 points. And then my account just passes in one trade. Negative 1,000. So negative 7,500 is where our account will get blown. So we're still pretty good. We have 3 trades right now up. None of them are at negative 2,500. Right? So we don't have to worry about 30%. The 30%. Insane. This will be the first 75 that gets hit, I think, with my strategy and succeeds, maybe. I think the ones that got hit on my 50k accounts, they maybe one succeeded, but they were just like too close to the drawdown. Look at this. $80 something. Yeah, dude. That's what my head feels like right now. This graph, man. Yo, easy street. I almost made 1,800 in one trade earlier, but my graph froze. But I recorded the clip. It literally... Sorry, I gotta keep watching this. I mean, it should have. Like, look. What happens is... Where does it happen? Hold on. I still have to watch this other thing, too. Look, my thing... Look at this. It's the candle right here. Moves so fast. It shoots up and then shoots down. And my thing tries to like exit. You could see it tries to. Right there. It tried to, right? This calculation comes from their numbers that they told me the market was at. So they're saying the price is down here. And it submits the order. But the candle wick never actually goes down there. And so this order gets rejected. And then the market shows me at plus 36 points. You'll see over here it goes to 1800. And it's frozen. It just freezes. The very next thing I see happen is the next activity on the market. I'm like, you can see my mouse moves around because I'm like, what's going on? That. It's literally one tick. The price is already up to here. And then it dips right back down to there. So I exit at like plus 7.5, which is like $100. Yes, please, get me there. Get me there. So that is like, yeah, it literally, that was a close one. Like if I just hit the close button, it may have worked, but also the movement was so fast, I don't know if they were accepting any trades in that range, because my thing tries to resubmit trades, and if they get rejected, it does like resend it. So yeah, we've been chilling up here. Did not hit the 75. We've been in like a pretty decent range here, just waiting for it to come down to this little green line here now. But yeah, we're gonna see. I'm still like, this number right here, I don't know if you know what RSI is, but basically it's a percentage from 0 to 100 that shows how bought something is, right? So the higher the number, it means more and more people were buying versus selling. So that means they're stockpiling it. So that's like why the number's up here. And so at some point, a lot of the times what you can infer from that is that the people who stockpiled are going to start selling. So this number is being above 70 is typically something that people use as an indicator to say like, I probably shouldn't buy right now because so many other people have bought that there's going to be a big sell-off soon. And so that's why I'm trying to, I keep hitting sell here. Like I'm shorting it, thinking it's going to go down. This all being at like a peak, like if you see it's just like so high up. These green areas are showing me where it moved very quickly upward. So there's gaps that I would expect it to move back down through. So all of those together, and then yeah, all of those together is what I'm kind of using to figure this out. Dude, Ethereum, I don't know who needs to hear this, but Ethereum's like a pyramid scheme. It's true. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Anything that's not proof of work is a pyramid scheme. Any proof of stake is by definition a pyramid scheme. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I can show you literally how it works when you have proof of stake. It's like whoever has the most, right? Like, let's say you have a little bit of a reserve of Ethereum, right? and then someone has this much Ethereum they're staking, and someone has this much Ethereum they're staking, this person is going to get more and more and more and more and more than you will ever get. It'll always be continually rising for
Order
them,
submitted.
more so
Order
than for
canceled.
the other people.
Order submitted.
So, yeah, it's like, if you sell this knife, you'll make money. And you go and sell the knife, and then, you know, the people at the top, they take some of that money, and that makes more. XRP, I think, actually, I think the reason it's had so many problems, Litecoin's pretty good, is because XRP actually was pretty solid. It could have been like a replacement of currency. Same with Bitcoin. Both of those, Bitcoin's different. It can't just be currency. Dogecoin would have to be the currency. Bitcoin is going to be like the equivalent of gold. That's like how that works. Dogecoin is like infinitely minted, but also deflationary. Always increasing in value. Oh yeah, Litecoin, I didn't say it's going to go up. I just said it was good. How
Order
it works
canceled.
is good.
Order submitted.
I think everything's about to have a huge drop, right? Coins. Bitcoin's at 109, 110. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here, look. This is going down. All right, here's my Bitcoin analysis, guys. We're doing it real quick. This is the current market on Coinbase. So if we look at that, what you want to see or look for is this versus this. This
Order canceled.
shows it's going to be pushing in the direction it's
Order
facing.
submitted.
This is going to be like receiving, right? So if it looks more like this, it'll push in the direction it's going. So right now this looks more like this versus this looking more like that. So it will push probably at least to there, but that is probably a fake line because of how much volume that is right there. It's probably an institution putting their stops there or something. Can easily be removed if they see it rushing towards that point. So you have to kind of look at see where the slope is flatter. Right there it's a little rounded. Flattens out right around here. Yeah. But that's how I look at the crypto stuff. But honestly, when it hits that, people are going to be panicking, so it's going to go that way, and it's going to go to 18K. Yeah, who really knows though? You know what I mean? But when I look at that, it's like that's where I think it's going to go. I literally think it's going to go down.
Order canceled.
That
Order submitted.
very back of the graph, this line right here is I think the 30K mark, and I'm just suggesting that if it's that big of a landslide, it could easily bounce down. And anyone who are yeah I am holding always, dude, never let go. The people who are selling, the institutions that'll be selling to get down to that point will then immediately buy it up from there, and it will skyrocket.
Order canceled.
So don't expect it to go down that long.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm holding Bitcoin. My strategies for Bitcoin are typically not selling. Like it does, like the things I've done for it before, like the bots that I had, they will buy and sell, but their goal is to accrue. It's like gold, dude. Like if you knew during the gold rush how expensive gold would be now, you try to get as much as you could. Anytime you hear news against Bitcoin, it's just the big banks trying to save their money a little longer. You guys remember when everyone was like, Bitcoin, terrible, we have to get rid of it, bad for the environment, proof of work kills the environment, oh my god, get rid of it. And then all those same people now are building AI factories that literally suck all the water out of the environment. It's all a lie. They weren't really trying to stop people from buying Bitcoin. They were
Order
trying to
canceled.
make sure they had more time
Order
to buy
submitted.
it before the price went up. Just saying. Same people, probably, let's see. Who
Order filled.
pushes for Ethereum because proof of work is too much energy? I want to know who was
Order
pushing for it,
submitted.
'cause I bet
Order
you the
canceled.
same people
Order
are
submitted.
also working in AI now. But anyways, try not to
Order
think about that stuff
canceled.
too much now. Whoa.
Order submitted.
Is it happening? It's happening. This is it, guys. Let's get into the gap. Oh, I was hoping to get a little over 2K today. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I think I'll get some good programming done on this strategy today to actually get the limits being
Order filled.
the stop losses being put into place properly, and some confirmations on the calculations to make sure that we're within all of the rules, all the bounds of the rules. Tracking each of the individual trades for their actual loss amounts to ensure it doesn't exceed a certain threshold. And tracking the number of contracts that we're scaling into based off of the profit we've made so far. But just gonna watch this one here for a little bit longer. See where it ends up. You know what's crazy? At the bottom of that candle, I was thinking about hitting buy. But I didn't want to get hit with like a 50-point drop. I don't think it's going to have a 50-point rise. I do think it's going to continue down here. So that's why I just bet on the short once the candle went halfway up. If that 20 gets hit and then it drops down a lot, that would be like huge. Huge, huge, huge. So I got you, Jay. Come here, please. They want me to go into the grinding life server. Dude, I'm already in there. It's on the verge. You just need a little bit of a bump up and fall. But yeah, after this cycles through and closes out, I will probably end the stream there for today, and then I'll have to you know, get the coding in. But we're gonna see. RSI still crazy, above 70, getting better.
I'm getting called into another stream. Let me see what's up. I think I'm gonna change my mic, guys. Or maybe, let's just check what the input is looking like here. Okay. That's not that mic. Cool. Yeah, Jay's asking me to join a chat. Let's see what happens, guys. Watching my trade. This is the guy who wants to stream share with me. Oh shoot, I'm getting a phone call. One sec. Hello?
Yo, Ian.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
I'm good, thanks.
Cannot hear you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was an excellent time. Thank you very much. Alright, awesome. Thanks, you too. Bye. Yeah, it was an Alright, I'm here, guys. Sorry. I was on the phone. I don't know if you saw my stream.
Yo, Ian.
What's up, Jay?
So you're in my live stream too. I'm in your live stream, right? Can people hear me from your chat?
I think so. I think people can
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
you. Yeah, we can hear you. He's on the phone.
Oh, yeah,
they're
yeah.
talking. They're all my chat's telling you they can hear me. Or they can hear you.
Okay, I got you. Ian, so tell me about your streaming journey.
Oh my
God damn. You're way too sexy for this.
Thanks, Jay. Let's see, we're at 45 days of futures trading. I've gotten some PA accounts, but I haven't passed any of them. But I stepped up to the 300K account because I just felt like the 50K accounts, they don't give me enough wiggle room for my strategy. So I was getting caught a lot of times with too much drawdown. But I've been working on it a lot, so it's way better than it was. I was at a point where I was trying to manually submit my trades, and then I'd miss by like
Order
half
filled.
a second, and it wouldn't actually get what I needed to get, and I'd be in the negative. So we.
그래서 여러분, I'm gonna translate in the middle of your conversation.
Sounds good.
So bear with it. 그래서 이한이 지금 뭐 트레이딩 봇 만들었대요. 그래서 뭐 자랑한다고 한번 보여주겠다고 했는데, so I'm telling my audience that you created your own trading bot algo system.
Working on it, yeah.
So is it working? Is it not working?
The last 2 days, it's been working. Yesterday was like plus 2,000. Today it's like plus 1,700 right now, waiting for this next trade to go through.
아까 어저께 갑자기 2,000불 자기 드디어 만들었다. 2,000불 벌었대요.
On the 300K account though, so.
야, 30만 불 계좌. 근데 지금 이제 왜냐면 알고 트레이딩이니까 매매가 많으니까
We just got another 100.
미니로 스스로 싸게 해서 미니로
Order
가려고.
submitted.
So, 근데 오늘도 업이네. So you're up today again.
Yeah, actually, as you were talking, I had another trade just complete for plus 100.
That's so cool.
It's like half automated. Like I manually pick where to enter, and I hit buy or sell, but then from there it takes over and it does the rest. So I am just watching the indicators, and I'm like, I think it's going to go up, I think it's going to go down based off RSI or moving average, and then hit buy or sell, and then it takes over. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yep.
So, oh, I see. Ian, do you have any loyal fans? I can give you some free codes to share it with your fan.
For what?
I can give you some free Apex code, 50K eval accounts.
Like free accounts?
And
to
I can
try?
give you
Or
yeah, and I can give you some Korean prop firm, Life Up Trading. They just launched global
is that real?
business system. Yeah.
Life Up?
Life Up Trading.
Life Up Trading. Oh yeah, it is in Korean.
It's first Korean prop firm, but it just launched its global
Like to other people besides Korea.
yeah.
Gotcha.
You see,
All the
So
rules.
would any of your fans be interested?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I just have a few. You know, Mr. Burp and Jason, and Easy Street's been tuning in a little bit today. But
Is it?
yeah,
Wait,
yeah, you know who it
is that
is.
Chris?
Yeah,
Is Chris?
yeah, boy, he's
Chris?
watching.
Did Chris ever? Did he start pop trading?
No, no, I don't think he's
All right then.
into it.
Okay, then I'll give you one Apex code, free Apex code, and one life up code. So you can give Burp Apex or life up, and you can give Chris the other.
Yeah,
How's
yeah,
that
sounds
sound?
good, dude. I feel like,
All right.
yeah. Or if Chris doesn't want it, I'll give Mr. Burp both. We'll see.
All right.
We'll see. Yeah, but yeah, that sounds cool.
Yeah. So for Apex, I can give you right now. Ian, come to my chat and can you pick someone from my chat for me to give them
Like on your stream.
free Apex code? Yeah.
You want me to go to your stream right now? Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah.
J Trader.
So are you short or long right now? You're short.
Short, yeah. Short.
Okay. Good. My chat for me to 숏 들어갔다고.
Yo.
요.
Yeah, you gotta tell
Ian,
everyone
just
how this is a better martingale. Sorry.
Ian, I just DM'd you. I DM'd the Apex free account code.
Okay.
So you give that to Chris or Mr. Burp, and for Life Up, you gotta be registered. They don't have code,
Okay.
so you have to register it and just tell me their email address. Then I can
Um,
send that information to Life Up Trading, and they will give you that free 50K account in their account.
Sounds good. Okay, so for the
Yeah.
Apex one, is that they just put that in as a coupon code?
Yes, as a coupon code. Ian, actually, tell me your
Order filled.
actually register for Life Up, and tell me your Life Up account too. I'll give you free 50K too.
Life up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sounds.
You already have Apex.
I do.
Have you ever used other prop firms than Apex?
No, I was thinking about it though. Mr. Burp uses My Funded Futures a lot. Sometimes he's talking
Uh-huh.
about the deals they got, and
Uh-huh.
but no, I haven't yet. It's mostly
Order
been trying
submitted.
to. Oh, look at that.
Order
go.
canceled.
There we go. Mostly been trying
Order
to
submitted.
just get my strategy working. I'm trying to
Your
figure out how to
bot
sign
ready.
up. Yeah, dude. It's working. It's working.
아 그래서 이거 좀 달라고 했거든요. 제가 이거 좀 써보게 eval 계좌에. I want to use your strategy, your bot in my eval accounts.
Alright, but don't blame me when you lose.
It's eval account, so
Alright. It still needs refinement for sure. Like
Mhm. I mean you did make money.
Yeah, but I'm watching it very carefully and I'm like ready to exit if I see any issues. There's a couple bugs. There's still some like math that needs to be done. I wanted to place the sell limits a bit better, have them spread out a bit more, like not just 4, 20, 75, varying amounts at varying price points that are a bit more calculated.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
And then yeah, like there's all the Apex rules I need to still make sure I'm following. Like they have the 30% negative rule, like this rule right here, negative 30% P&L rule, maximum version. That one's pretty important to follow. And then they have like the risk reward and the contract scaling rules. So those I'm going to like programmatically enforce. Right now I've just been mentally staying within those rules.
Ian, this is why you don't have any viewers because nobody can understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
And
Hell yeah.
you're way too nerdy for live stream, Ian. You gotta lower your standards here.
I buy
Yeah.
or sell and it goes. Woo.
There we go.
Money
There we
come
go.
in, happy. Money go out, sad. Yeah.
그래서 이한 지금 저거 다 보시에요. 자기가 만든 전략 닌자 스크립트 써가지고 자기가 다 만들었어요. 여기 프로그래머라. 아니 뭐 마틴게일 비슷하게 뭐 한다. 마틴게일을 더
Yeah, sorry I can't translate this for you guys. I don't know Korean.
네, 마틴게일을 뭘 더 막 연구해가지고 기똥차게 만들었다는데 이베이 계좌 한번 써보고 싶은데 뭐 어제 2,000불 벌고 오늘 2,000불 또 벌고 있네.
Yo, here's Jay's. So now we can watch. This is gonna be Inception here, dude. Infinite
Yeah.
stream.
Ian, how are you gonna give the code to Chris or Mr. Burp?
I was gonna message Mr. Burp, see if he was wanting it. I was just gonna like, I think I can send him a message through YouTube. I'm not sure though. I was just gonna message him in chat, I guess. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. I need to not put it out publicly. Maybe I'll put it on like a chat message to him somehow. I'll figure that out, but I will give it to him. Mr. Burp, do you want that code, right?
You have 29 subscribers. 여러분 이한 방송 가서 좋아요 좀 눌러주시면 감사하겠습니다. 이 친구인데 대학교 친구예요, 대학교 친구. 에이펙스 자동 매매 가능한데 껐다 켰다 해야 돼요. 그러니까 약간 반자동.
Alright, I'm gonna lower my Discord volume.
So Ian, you're familiar with Apex's trading bot rule, right?
Yeah, so I mean, I actually, okay, so I've been working on like a website where I've been trying to track this stuff, and I need to put more stuff there. So I have like my strategies and stuff. It's called WSO prop trading. It's just brand new. I tell Mr. Burp about this all the time. You'll see he's like posting in there. But it's where I started to talk about my strategy.
Oh yeah, I remember you're making this. How is this going?
Yeah.
Your platform. 이한 이거
It's
커뮤니티
fine.
만들었다고.
It
트레이딩
needs a lot of
커뮤니티.
polishing. It needs to be there's still some like quality of life things I need to fix. And some of it needs to get a bit more built out. But yeah, it's going pretty good. But yeah, I wanted to, so like I think I was posting about the rules in the general. Let me see. But they do have,
how do you wait? Can you give me a link? Can you check? Can you
it's literally it's a,
type this link in my chat, my
yeah,
YouTube
I
live
got you, I
chat?
got you. It's gonna get blocked because it's a link or something.
Probably.
Dude, I should just go to my dashboard. I made a post about bots, automation.
Order filled.
Huh. You don't have any codes, right, in that community. Otherwise, we're gonna be rivals.
Codes
이거
for what?
경쟁사인데 커뮤니티인데. 오케이,
codes
협업을
for
한번
what?
해보자.
Like to give out to people. I'm not a
Wait, Ian,
I'm not
can you type the
affiliated.
link in my chat, please?
I did. It's in your chat. It's like the 10th one from the top, from the bottom now.
Yeah, it
Like,
probably
in your
got
chat.
blocked.
That's what I'm saying. You got blocked by it. Yeah.
What's the URL? What's the URL?
I'll Discord you it, but it's HTTPS, colon backslash WSOproptrading.com.
오케이. 이거 만들었대요, 얘가. 오케이.
Okay, there's definitely a spot where I tried to document some of the rules, but I have a lot of emails I've been doing with Apex to get information, and I want to kind of put all of that on that website. Like, what do they mean by the 30% P&L maximum adverse excursion rule and all those other things? Like, I have a lot of...
Oh, I can log in with Google.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Okay,
My trade, it's negative 500 right now. No bueno.
hold
No
on.
way this keeps going up, right?
It will. Dude, it's so bullish today. How are you shorting this? Your bot's retarded, I think, today.
RSI is at like 90 earlier, dude. So
Okay, I can choose a nickname, right?
yeah, I think so. Yeah, you have a username that's not your email, like it's shown.
Okay,
So like if people are on there, their emails is not publicly visible.
J Trader.
You want to show
Country.
everyone your information you're typing in so they can steal your account?
Yeah, I'm scared because is this website legit?
Yeah, dude. Every time you submit information there, it's like fully encrypted. Like, I pride myself
Oh,
in
yo, yo,
having.
yo! I logged in. I logged in.
Nice. Yeah, let's see some
Oh,
posts.
oh! I have Korean flag. 이거 한국 국기도 있다 여기.
Because you picked Korea, yeah. We have all those countries
Oh yeah,
have
oh yeah. I
flags
remember you
associated with
saying
them.
you're saying you're putting English, Korean, and Chinese and Japanese. Yeah, good
Yeah,
job.
we're working on the translation still. I actually was doing some research on that last night. Um,
Ah,
Thinking about making my own language model so that it captures things properly.
it's a little buggy. Okay.
Yeah, it is. I know. There's a
Oh,
lot of like quality of life and small bugs I need to fix still. I've been working on it a lot though.
okay.
Oh my god, I'm about to have this 75 contract entry. I don't know, man.
Oh, you have market 선택
Hello,
futures.
MoonTayTube. Sorry I did not
Futures,
see you a little bit ago.
futures, and Apex.
Yeah, I'm still trying to flesh out like that. I think it might be better to have like a tag system where people can type in and then have things separated by comma, kind of like a lot of other websites. But just trying to give people those features for now.
Okay,
Really,
하면은.
I just wanted a spot to like write down all this stuff as I'm
Oh,
streaming.
yo, this is so cool. 씨발, 나스닥 손절 또 먹었네.
I just
아,
added
wait.
the
Wait,
ability.
so if I change to English,
Yeah,
it doesn't change. It doesn't translate.
not all of it. No. That's the part I'm
아,
working on right
영어로
now.
안 봐.
The user content needs like a real-time translation API I've been trying to figure out. So I can either
Uh-huh.
pay like some of the large institutions like Google or something like that to translate, but they don't have the best translations. So I wanted to
Uh-huh.
make my own like translation AI that I could train and teach the proper idioms and phrases.
What is this? Patrick Willen #1 or scam?
Someone made that post a while ago, and
Patrick,
that's like the one that had the most
Patrick,
traction.
패트릭 윌런 사기꾼이냐
Yeah,
아니냐? Ian, can I promote myself here?
sure, dude. I don't care.
Can I promote 내 유튜브 채널 홍보도 되냐고
You can
여기서?
promote it, and then people can upvote you or downvote you. If you see, there's like in the top right of the screen, you have JTrader level 1 student. It shows
Yeah.
like
Oh,
your
level 1.
Yeah.
Is
So like
then what's level 2? Like, is it? Am I gonna be football captain or teacher? Level 2 teacher?
it's like apprentice or something. No. But basically like the more likes you get, the higher your level will go. So it's kind of a show of your reputation. So if you get more
Oh.
likes on your comments and your posts, your level will be higher. So, and if you get dislikes, it will be lower. So if you're posting advice, you're promoting your stuff, and people like it, you'll
Uh-huh.
have like a higher level. People will recognize that and see you as somewhat reputable. But if you have nothing right now because no one's
Mr. Burp is serious.
Mr. Burp.
He's a serious dude.
Yeah, he posts a lot on here. It's really good.
이거
I try to post too,
이거
like literally
손익비
daily.
손익비 10 전략. Is he a winning trader? He writes like he's a winning trader.
He has a lot of cool strategies we like to go over. Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, you'll have to check in with him sometime in the chat.
I like the fact that I have a Korean flag up here.
Yeah, we're trying to really make it like, I don't know, simple and clean, but still, have your own little personality and stuff. I don't know.
Oh, yo, someone else made 이거 제 방송 someone from my audience with the Korean flag made a new account.
What?
He replied to mine.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go check.
아, 이거 영어로 빨리
Yo,
번역되게
okay.
해야 되는데. Yo, I said
Filled.
fuck, I got
Oh,
stopped.
no.
I got stopped again. And he posted that picture.
Guys, my thing. I might lose a K here. You guys still think it's bullish?
Let me check your
You still think it's bullish, dude?
Yeah, it's definitely bullish.
Oh
Ian,
no.
get the fuck out of here.
Oh no.
Ian, save yourself.
Yeah, this is where I need to program it, right? Because right now I can't make the decision, so I'm
Yeah.
stuck. So I'm like, oh no, what if it goes down though, and then I win, and or if it goes up? Um, this is the part like where I should have been paying attention and ready to close out of it earlier, but I wasn't. You're distracting me.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's my fault too for not having a good strategy here. I'm actually gonna close this.
돈
Order
잃고 있네.
filled.
I'm taking the 2,500 loss because
Okay.
I don't want any of those trades to. Like if it shoots up 30 points like it did earlier.
You want those trades to blow up your count.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
what you're saying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Martingale at its finest.
Oh yeah. No,
You just go to casino.
No, it's worse odds there. It's better
Mhm.
on the stock market. Yeah. Okay, think of it this way. If you are playing Martingale at casino and you place
Yeah.
a bet, right? At blackjack, right? You're like, okay, I'm gonna put $50. You either lose that $50 or they pay you like double, right? You get 100.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when it comes to the trading on the market, when you make that same bet, if you have properly set up like trailing stop, you
Yeah.
don't have to accept the original winnings that you were going to accept. You know, if the price keeps going up, you can increase your winnings even further. So it's not like a set
Yeah,
bet
but-
that you're going to win. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
but
still
Ian,
like,
hold on.
yeah.
But Ian, casinos don't have fees, and trading does. So if you're completely going on martingale mode,
it's not
wouldn't it be better
completely
to? Okay,
But
you know that, right? Casinos don't pay fees.
no, I use the martingale strategy at the poker table. So the rate,
But I mean, I guess the fees are tips in casinos, but like
it's minimal. Yeah,
in
yeah,
trading,
it's
in
guaranteed
trading-
every trade for the trades.
yeah, trading. Even if you lose, you have to pay the fee. Even if you win, you have to pay the fee. So
Order filled.
I don't know. You should
Oh,
do a
shit.
math on that.
Order filled.
Yeah, yeah.
So more
No, I get what you're
trades,
saying.
more trades that your bot takes,
Order submitted.
the more concern, the more concern you should be with the trading fees.
Yeah, that makes sense. Trading fees, the more trades you have, the more the fees are high. Like, the more they go up. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm shorting again right now.
또 숏 들어간다고? Why? Are you taking these shorts or is your bot taking these shorts?
Oh, it's me, dude. My bot just does afterwards. 'Cause I'm looking at it, I'm like, dude, it has to go down.
Ian, Ian. What did Ryan say
Order filled.
He
when
said,
you visited Korea? He said, even if nuclear bomb drops on New York City, the Nasdaq will still go up
yeah,
because it's still good news that the second bomb won't drop.
I guess. Oh, man, but I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see.
You just do. I think if I enter the opposite from you every single trade that you take,
Every
I might
third
get
trade.
profitable.
It's like every third trade I fail or something. So just
Okay.
every third trade I'm gonna swap
Multiple
the direction I thought.
And lose everything.
No. Gain knowledge.
All right.
You lose money, gain knowledge.
이한도 자기 영매매 너무
Yeah.
좋아한다고 많이 털렸대요.
Well, we're down a little bit today. Yeah, look,
Mhm.
I gross realized is 447, but the actual realized is negative 769 because of the fees. It's like $320 in fees. Hey, man.
Yeah.
Takes money to make
Yeah,
money,
how
you know what I
many-
mean? You got to spend money to make money.
How many trades do you take per day on average?
Do you want to see?
I probably don't want to
Let's
see.
see. I might be able to draw them on here.
I just probably get tilted just by watching.
I don't know.
How many trades you take per day?
It's not that many now. I don't know. Try to do it like every 30 seconds or so. No, 30 seconds if I can. I've been waiting a lot more. I don't know why it's not showing the strategy ones, but I don't know, dude. I just hit buy or sell, and then that's one trade, and then it'll hit a couple of my other limits, and that'll be like 2 or 3 trades. Has multiple stop markets that it goes through. If I leave the drawing on, the way I was trading, I don't know if you remember some of the pictures, but it was like I couldn't see the graph because I had so many trades. Let me go to like some earlier trading days. I don't know, man.
All right.
But yeah.
Anyways, Ian, be talking to you. I need to quit my stream.
Yeah, I do too. I
need to hop
I
out.
was supposed to be done at 11. Look, I took that extra trade and lost $2,000.
Yo, yeah.
Should've been
So,
done.
Ian 전략 좀 달라고 저희도 좀 봤죠. So, Ian, if you finish up polishing your strategy or refine it,
Yeah.
and you're done, would you be okay with sharing that version 1 with my community?
Yeah, so what I was thinking about doing is I'm trying to polish it up. I want to make
With-
like a
Order,
video
order submitted.
With
Order
a lot of warning
canceled.
signs, Ian.
a lot of warning signs. Warning,
Yeah, warning
your
signs.
wallet's
With
going to be
risk.
so thick it's going to cause scoliosis. You're gonna have so
Just
much
use
money.
on email. Just use on email accounts, guys. No, don't use it on PAs.
Your bank's not going to be able to hold all the money you get. Warning. You need a bigger treasure chest. Yeah, no, I'll put warnings. What I was going to do is, like, I wanted to make a video documenting all this. I was going to put that on my
Yeah.
channel soon, and then make a really nice, thorough post where I actually post. Like, I have that Hydra post, right? But that was kind of like the very beginning. I'm going to probably just make a whole new post where I have it, like, fully detailed out, like how Mr. Burp does. He does really good.
All right, Ian.
So, yeah.
So let me know who you're giving that code to, and give me that person's Life of Trading's account email address, just the email address, and I'll be able to set you guys up.
Sounds good.
And
I'm gonna see if I can get in contact with Mr. Burp and talk to him about that.
All right, great.
But yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in and giving me a little like stream raid.
All right.
That's cool. I'll catch you later.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to go finish up my post and probably go code. So.
여러분, 저도 여기까지 하고 내일.
Yeah, guys. Sorry, I don't speak Korean, so I can't really translate that for him to you guys. But basically, everything I say in English, he just translates to Korean. But yeah, Mr. Burp, if you're still around, if you want to try an Apex account, I have a free 50k account for you. You are my most loyal subscriber. So. Gonna work on the scaling, and then all right. There's that post. Yeah, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, anyone who's been using it, but the website's way faster. I actually added oh dude, I can't read this yet. Yeah, so that real-time like language translation is definitely like the biggest thing. I was really trying to figure that out last night. But I just added YouTube preview. So like Mr. Burps.
All right, guys. Market just opened.
Getting cooked. I still need to fix that for the comments, but yeah. If you guys ever find any bugs or anything, feel free to let me know. You can make a post about it, literally just in general or whatever. Like someone had posted before about like, what are these levels? So I did have to like do the whole explanation. This needs to be reformatted too, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I will give you guys an update soon enough with the strategy and where it's at. And yeah, it's going to be one that I do end up sharing and getting out there so that people get a chance to kind of like look at it. Yeah, Mr. Burp, they don't allow auto, which is, you know, why I'm doing my trading strategy the way I'm doing, where it's like I'm manually hitting enter. But it's literally free. Jay hopped in and he said he had some codes. He has one for Apex and one for that new Korean one he was talking about, which I'm trying to sign up for. Where did I put that? Life Up Trading. So I'm going to sign up for Life Up Trading. That's this one. I don't know. I haven't looked at this at all, but apparently he has like a free account there too. So might be worth it. He said it's Korea's like first prop firm, but they actually are like a global. But yeah, I need to figure out how to send you the code. Okay, I think if I go to your channel, go to channel. Whoa. Never mind, I can't. How to send you a message. I'll have to figure this part out. Or, dude, I have to add a private messaging feature into the website so we can send messages to each other. That's one of the things I have on my to-do list, and I also, I mean, I have a huge to-do list, but the other thing was, I'm gonna add the ability to follow people. So, like, we can follow each other, and then we get, like, email notifications. If you want, you can turn off phone notifications. I don't want to force notifications on anyone. But, like, emails or desktop or whatever, these notifications. When those users post or whatever. Or Mr. Burp, if you... How do people do this? How do people get connected? Could you send me a message, maybe? I'm curious. Maybe not. I can do Discord. If you have Discord, or email. If you want to email me, let's see. I don't remember what my email is actually. Oh, actually, you know what? Just, yeah. Not hard to guess. There. Okay, so I sent my email in chat. Surely people could have guessed that. unithefutures@gmail.com. Please don't spam me. If you do, it's okay. But anyways, if you email me there, Mr. Burp, I will email you the code for the Apex account. And then what can happen is that way you don't have to, put any of your information out. And I'll just send that. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Alright, here's my code. Here's all my notes. This is the bug currently that I'm seeing, this one right here. What the heck? Dude, I don't get it. The people I was just talking to, like Jay, they're like, yeah, it's bullish, dude. It's all-time high. I left. Where did I leave? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna remove that and I want to see if I can draw on the data series. I want to see where I entered and lost, and like if I would have just waited. Yeah. It like barely went higher and it dropped all the way down. That trade where I lost 2,000, if I just waited, I was just scared because I didn't have the stop put up here. I probably would have made 2,000. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. Like, who's longing this at the top? Alright. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Sure is. Sure is breaking through the ceiling. Dude. We're gonna have the 2008 times 4. Can't wait. On that day, everyone needs to take all of their money out of the banks at the same time. And then we win. But, alright guys, I am going to call it here for today. Mr. Burp and everyone else, thanks for tuning in. Easy Street, Jay, Jason, MoonTayTube, and everyone else. Great having you guys around. Just having a good laugh with Jay. He doesn't think my strategy's good. Just you wait. The issue is, where it messes up right now is catastrophic. But if I can fix that, then we're good. So yeah. But yeah, thanks guys. And yeah, Mr. Burp, if you hit me up with an email, I got you that code. And also, if you make an account through LifeUp Trading, he said he also has a free account there. So like, if you don't use that, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe he has more than one. I don't know if he's like promoting them right now because it's Korean, he's Korean, but yeah. But yeah. Thanks guys for tuning in. I will catch y'all on Monday. And again, next Friday I will be traveling to Korea, so I will not be streaming next Friday. But maybe I'll have the GoPro, whatever. I was about to pick this thing up. Videos from there that I can start getting uploaded. So, but alright, guys, good luck out there. Don't let your trades lose. Harder to do that than to actually just say it. Easier said than done. But yeah, alright.